Hey everybody, Nathan with Northland Spray Foam here, giving you a tour of a house that we just got wrapped up with. Nice beautiful home in Backus, nice garage. Walk inside here. This customer chose to go with full spray foam on the entire house. You can see in the garage here, we got 3 inches of closed cell spray foam in all the exterior walls. Nice big garage. And then in the ceiling, got 5 inches of closed cell foam in all of the ceiling. Nice upper windows, natural light in here. Walk into the garage or into the house here. So continues on. 3 inches of closed cell foam in all of the exterior walls. Nice big open windows overviewing the lake. And then 5 inches of foam in all the ceiling areas. Way up there. And also the customer's got sound batting in all of the interior walls. We also filled the floor cavity with blown in fiberglass. We net that and blow full. That way for sound when you're walking around upstairs. Nice big tall fireplace. Another bedroom. Nice view of the lake out there. So again, got fiberglass in all of the walls, and that's once they sheetrock that, and that'll be all just for sound. As you can see when you're looking at walking around here, you'll see that we also in all of the seams, all of the unions where the wood comes together, we caulked that with an acoustical caulk. That way then just for added air sealing, this house is going to be very aired up tight. Then they can ventilate it right. Another room here, upstairs. A little better view of the foam. Bedroom. Again, you can see all of the caulking that was done on all of the stud unions. Over into another bedroom here. Nice big tall ceilings in these bedrooms. Very nice layout. Each room's got nice view of the lake. Nice balcony here. You can see that the caulking's all done all the way around. All that. Again, 5 inches of closed cell foam in the ceiling. So this house is going to be very energy efficient. One of the best ways to do that is all closed up, sealed tight. There's also a crawl space underneath this house. Not going to crawl down in there, but and we did all the rim joists and the cold floor areas in that as well. So, well, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions or about insulating a new house or something you'd like to estimate it, please feel free to give me a call.